Welcome back to Stock Motion, the stock market educational YouTube channel. All uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. Trading is risky and you can lose money. Guys, please hit them like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to bring you the latest hot stocks and content. Without further ado, let's get cracking. In today's video we're going to take a look at Drone Delivery Canada Corp, ticker symbol TAKOF. Drone Delivery Canada Corp designs, develops, and implements commercial drone-based logistics systems in Canada. The company offers drone delivery services consisting of depot-to-depot services, which focuses on rural applications providing services from warehouse to warehouse, and depot-to-consumer that offers logistics services from a retailer, warehouse direct to the consumer's home or business location. It serves government, commercial, industrial, and retail customers. The company was incorporated in 2011 and is based in Vaughan, Canada. Drone Delivery Canada Corp is pleased to announce it has been named to the 2021 OTCQX Best 50, a ranking of top-performing companies traded on the OTCQX Best market last year. The OTCQX Best 50 is an annual ranking of the top 50 US and international companies traded on the OTCQX market. The ranking is calculated based on an equal weighting of 1-year total return and average daily dollar volume growth in the previous calendar year. Companies in the 2021 OTCQX Best 50 were ranked based on their performance in 2020. We are honored to be recognized as an OTCQX Best 50 top-performing company, out of thousands of other listed OTC companies. On behalf of the management team and board, I would like to thank our shareholders for their continued support. I also congratulate the entire DDC team for our many accomplishments thus far as we continue to successfully execute on our growth strategy, said Michael Zara, President and CEO Drone Delivery Canada Corp. The OTCQX Best market offers transparent and efficient trading of established, investor-focused US and global companies. To qualify for the OTCQX market, companies must meet high financial standards, follow best practice corporate governance, and demonstrate compliance with applicable securities laws. The company was also previously recognized as a top 2019 TSX Venture 50 trademark company. Drone Delivery Canada Corp is pleased to announce that it has expanded its advisory board, welcoming the addition of Ms. Nadine Miller, BASc, MEng, MBA, PEng. Ms. Miller joins the company's advisory board, bringing a broad global network, know-how and experience in mining, oil and gas, infrastructure, transportation, and artificial intelligence, to further enhance the company's drone delivery solution into key industrial B2B markets. Ms. Miller is a professional engineer with over 20 years of experience in engineering design and project management in the mining and transportation industries, and has worked on mining projects in Australia, Europe, North and South America. Ms. Miller is currently the Vice President of Project Development at JDS Energy and Mining. She led the business development departments for two of the world's largest engineering consulting firms' Toronto offices, Bantrel providing EPC, EPCM services to the mining and metals, oil, gas and chemicals and infrastructure sectors with the backing of Bantrel's parent company, Bechtel, and SNC Lavalin's mining and metallurgy providing EPC, EPCM services. Two Wall Street analysts have issued ratings and price targets for Drone Delivery Canada in the last 12 months. Their average 12-month price target is $1.60, predicting that the stock has a possible upside of 12.68%. The high price target for TAKOF is $1.60 and the low price target for TAKOF is $1.60. There are currently 2 buy ratings for the stock, resulting in a consensus rating of buy. Please remember, do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. And please like and subscribe for more content and it would really help out the channel. Thank you and take care.